Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are going to talk about this wonderful green power which is WGP Mini UPS, and the variant I have right now is 5V, 9V and 12V variant. If you need, you can get higher variant or different options, but before talking more about this, let's unbox it first. Inside the box you will get the Mini UPS first, but let's put it aside, we will see just a while later. And inside you will get another box. This box contains all the necessary cables and converters you name it. Here these converters, some of you really need this to connect you with your device or other stuff, and these three cables comes with this box. It is necessary for connect your media converter and Wi-Fi router at the same time, so they give you almost all the necessary cables and converters you may need. So that's amazing, you don't have to buy anything separately. So now let's see this Mini UPS. Here you are getting a product guide, and if you need to see how it connects or setups, you can check this out, but I don't think it will be necessary for you because I'm giving and showing you all the stuffs you may need. And now let's see about this WGP Mini UPS. This UPS is really great, it can run up your Wi-Fi router up to 9 hours to 12 hours. So that will be really amazing when you can use your internet until that 9 hours or 12 hours more. And this indicator shows you how much battery it has left. It has a huge 8000 mAh battery, you can see on the back, and this battery, actually this large battery of course need an indicator, and many UPS don't have this feature, so this is amazing. And here you can see a USB port. I'll give you a fun fact after a while later, and another 9V and 12V. So these two will be helpful to run up your media converter and also your Wi-Fi router. So you can literally run up 3 devices at the same time from this Mini UPS. So that's really so good, man. And I'm showing you all the installation, just wait a little. And the fun fact about this USB after a while later this video, and you can run up this UPS through your any Wi-Fi adapter or any 5V adapter. So you can use this to power up this Mini UPS or chairs, you can say, whatever it is. And you can see after installation your all Wi-Fi router and media converter will be look like this. Here you can see all the battery indicator, and you can see I'm using a 5V media converter, so I'm using this USB port, and 12V router for my Wi-Fi run up. So you just may need to see how much volt your Wi-Fi need. Is it 9V or 12V? So just simply check that and connect your Wi-Fi through that port if it's 9V or 12V. And this USB 5V is running up my media converter, which is a 5V. This Mini UPS can give a backup 9 hours or 12 hours your Wi-Fi, so that will be helpful for you. And now the fun fact, the phone you can see right now, you can literally charge up your phone through this Mini UPS. And not just only phone, you can charge up your any device through any USB cable. So the benefit of having a USB cable, you can just simply plug on this USB port and can charge up your any device through this Mini UPS. So you can literally use this Mini UPS as a power bank. Isn't it amazing? You can use this UPS as to run your Wi-Fi while you are staying at home, or you can use it as a power bank while you are traveling or going any other far places. So that's really amazing, I think. As it has a huge 8000 mAh battery, it can give you an amazing long time backup. You can buy this device from these two websites if you are living in Bangladesh, or you just have to search on other shopping sites if you are living outside of Bangladesh. But you can find this device on many websites. So that's for it now guys. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm oheduzzamanx and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.